the Pizza Factory Tycoon game. This is actually pretty fun, not gonna lie. And I am basically a pro at this. Once I finish my first delivery, I'm gonna end the video so you guys can see like the first delivery and stuff. So let's go. So here are our pizzas, and here are our good stuff, bro. We got the 6-7 pizza, guys. But I'm gonna do something. So is it over here yet? Pizza menu. Why is this pizza? Take a pizza just for this. Teleport to topping shop. Bro, does this have to happen to me? What? Okay, finally. It got better. Oh, what? Let's do pepperoni chicken ham. And I'm gonna call it something. I do not know. Hey, we got 6-7 barbecue sauce, guys. I think barbecues are a top seller. Okay, so we got our first order. I have to show you how to make the pizza. So after you're like in study in Clamory, go to one site. I do not know how this works. I'll show y'all next video, or I do not know next video. No, like next video of this game. I'll definitely show you. Bro, this is the correct perfect timing. Yeah, I'm just kidding. Oh, finally. For what? Seafood. 2 minutes. Seafood. I think it's up there. 56. Oh, guys, my bad if the graphics are bad. My thing is just reached 20%. So my bad. Let's go to our first delivery. This is the first and only one. And let's go to this. And I think it's house 4, I guess. No, it's house 2. Drop down. Just give pizza. Hey, that's perfect. Perfect delivery. So, guys, thank you for watching. Oh, flip. This is not a good time for the intro. I mean, the extra. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. And please add me Pranny742. And let's get out of this perfect pizza. Bye, guys.